Yeah, welcome to the R class. So here we'll be touching with the topics, a little bit slight off topics, or these are not off topics. To be very frank, these are very much related to the R language. If you don't know them, we cannot continue with R. Because the thing is, R is a statistical software, first of all, and it is also a programmable software. And third thing, it is also used for machine learning, right? You can solve all your machine learning problems through R. So that is a reason why I'm starting with introduction to business analytics. If you don't know about introduction to business analytics, if you don't know about stats or statistics, basics, you cannot create visualizations without background of analytics. You'll not be able to understand where we are heading and where we are starting, right? So we importantly need to cover introduction to business analytics and few basics of R, and then we'll be covering stats especially. I think there are newcomers also, because who did not attend my stats class earlier. It will be a kind of refresher for them, right? And there are few additional topics like hypothesis testing and regression analysis. These were not at all touched upon. We are going to touch those topics also here. Just a kind of a refresher before going to the detailed classes. Is that fine? So that is the
Yes, sir.
reason it is necessary for you all to know this introduction. Okay, fine. We'll start with introduction to business analytics, right? So just before starting that, a quick question to all of you. What is business analytics? What is it all about? Just try to express business analytics, what you feel, what is your opinion on business analytics, what you understand by this term business analytics. You have two words here, business and analytics. What do you understand by that? For the new people, this question is for the new people. What is business analytics? No leads? We don't want to make this class interactive.
Something related to organization data.
Organization? Yes, right, Vamshi. Decision making. Okay, that is one of the things. But okay, fine. So thanks, Vamshi, for the answer. And thanks, Varun. Analyze data. Yes, you are right, Sushma. But this is not the complete answer. But yeah, thanks for the answer. Okay, so we have two terms over here. One is business, second one is analytics. So analytics the English meaning says that we are going to analyze the data and we are forming some results or visualizations out of it. We are going to get, as the result, we are going to get some tables or visualizations, analytics. And these visualizations, this analysis, whatever we are doing, they are related to business, right? They are related to business. And why we need to do this analytics for the business? To improve our business, basically, to earn more profits, to earn or to make more revenues, to increase the customer satisfaction. It is the goal of the business, right? What is the goal of any business? Any business starts with a goal of serving the community at the same time to make profits, to generate high revenues, right? To increase the customer satisfaction side by side. And at the same time, we would like to reduce the extra expenditures or extra expenses that the company makes, to optimize your expenditure. So all these things, they originate from the basic idea to develop my business. I want to develop my business, and from there all these things starts. So to develop your business, you have to do some analysis. And analysis you're going to perform. When analysis comes, you need some data and some tools, right? If you don't have data, you cannot perform any analysis, first of all. To perform any analysis, you need data, first of all. And second thing, to aid our analysis, we need tools. What are those tools that we are going to use here? One is our software, or any software like R, Python, SAS. These are the software, statistical softwares. These are the tools, right? First one is the tool. And second one is our statistical tools, mathematical tools. And then we are using probability tools. And then finally, we are going to use your skills of communication to express your stories or express your analysis to the audience. Correct? So it is very important as a business analyst. There are many roles in business analysts. To be a business analyst, there are many roles. Like you can go as a business analyst, data analyst, business insights head, Tableau consultant, or Power BI consultant, or R consultant. There are many other tools. Okay. So business analytics basically focuses on developing the business to increase the revenues, to reduce the expenditure, and to increase customer satisfactions. Right? So what are the learning objectives over here for this introduction class? explain business decisions and analytics, list the types of business analytics, discuss application of business analytics, describe data science. So all these are the topics for the introduction of analytics. So we'll do a case study. We'll just see an example over here. New Coke disaster. What happened with the Coca-Cola company? A wrong decision made the company to lose huge resources. Coca-Cola company announced a change to its nearly century-old secret formula 30 years ago. It was stated that the new Coke would have a smoother, sweeter taste, similar to Diet Coke, but sweetened with corn syrup. The best just got better. The best just got better. With this banner, they have introduced a new Coca-Cola. They tried to introduce a new product in the Coca-Cola, which was sweetened with corn syrup. A detailed market research was not done anyway. With preliminary research, they wanted to introduce this, and after that, they moved this product to the market. It was a very big flop. It was a very big flop. You know why? They did not do a detailed market research before launching this product. This was a business decision based on intuition. This was not a data-driven decision. So, after the introduction, only 13% of the soda drinkers, they like this new Coke. The rest others, they did not like this one. At different parts of the country, grassroots campaigns were started, and they compelled Coca-Cola company to bring back that original Coke. Right? And where did the company go wrong? The company failed to take right business decision. Right? It failed to take right business decision. What was the statement given by the president of the Coca-Cola company? Mr. Donald said that the simple fact is that all of the time and money and skill poured into the customer research on a new Coca-Cola could not measure or reveal the depth and abiding emotional attachment to the original Coca-Cola felt by so many people. The company failed to take the right business decision. The company failed to take right business decision. This was a statement. What is the right business decision? As I told you in the beginning, the right business decisions help to achieve high revenues, reduced expenses, and meet customer expectations. These three things are important when you say a decision is the right decision for a business. If you are not achieving these three things, then you can straight away say that it is not a right decision, right business decision. So it involves a series of methods and techniques to measure perform and improve them. This is called business analytics. This is called business analytics. Is everybody clear on the definition? Any doubts or any confirmations needed on this one? You need any explanations? Does it make sense? Thanks, Pujita, for confirmation. Thanks. Thanks, Shekha. Okay, Vamshi, what do you want to know? Thanks, Mani. What do you want to know, Mani? Sorry, Vamshi, what do you want to know? Thanks, Nandu. What is not clear over here? So 3 things: the high revenue, reduce expenses, and meet customer expectations. So what do you mean by revenue? Can anybody tell me what is revenue? What is revenue? Company manufactures a product. Correct. Exactly, Sneha. Thank you. Thank you for the answer. So company manufactures a product and it sells in the market, right? When it sells, it generates money, right? That is called as revenue. So if you have to increase your sales, rather than when you are taking a business decision and your sales is going down all of a sudden from 100%, if the sales is coming down to 13% or 14%, rest of the sales, around 75% or 85% of the sales is gone with the introduction of the new product, then is the sales increasing or decreasing, Vamshi? Is the revenue increasing or decreasing? It is decreasing, obviously. And expenses are increasing because you are putting your resources on research, you are putting your resources on making the new product, infrastructure, everything, right? Marketing. You're doing everything. So you have to reduce that expenses. So high revenues, you should increase your sales, reduce your expenses, and meet the customer satisfaction. By introduction of the new product, if the customers are not at all satisfied, they are not going to buy your product, right? Then this decision of introduction of new product or new Coke, was this a right idea? Was this a right business decision? Vamshi, this is a question to you. Is this the right decision? Vamshi, are you there? Is this the right decision? If your sales is reducing, if your sales is going down, by taking a decision, if your sales is going down and increasing your expenses, and it is not meeting your customer satisfaction or customer expectations, is it a right decision? Yes. So now you understood those 3 key points. Vamshi, do you have any doubt still? Okay, right. Thanks, Vamshi, for the confirmation. Right. Okay. So a right business decision will always give high revenues, reduced expenses, and meet customer expectations. So what is business analytics? Business analytics is a scientific process that transforms data into insight that is used for fact-based or data-driven decision making. I don't have to explain this once again, right? So you need data, You have historical data available with you, and based on the historical data, you are transforming the data into insight. That insights, those insights are giving you facts. Those facts will help you take right business decisions. Is that okay? So it uses tools such as reports, graphs, simple graphs, optimization, data mining, and simulation. So business analytics is all about using these tools like reports, graphs, data mining, and simulations and optimizations. All these things are done in business analytics.